Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering two essentials: recent bank statements and your expected monthly income. Open the app and grant read-only access or choose manual import. This speeds category suggestions. Once done, set the primary currency, billing cycle, and enter recurring income sources. Make sure to create at least one account group for checking and one for savings so rules apply correctly. These first steps let the app auto-suggest categories and build an initial baseline budget that reflects real behavior. Now focus on refinement. You should edit default categories into fixed, variable, and sinking funds so tracking matches purpose. Create transaction rules by merchant, amount threshold, or keyword to auto-categorize future entries. This reduces manual work and improves accuracy. Once rules are active, assign goals using either percentages or dollar targets and allocate any surplus to savings. Make sure to run a quick reconciliation pass so past transactions align with new rules. This trains the app to predict your habits. Finish by locking in review and automation habits. You should schedule a weekly review to adjust categories and confirm goals, and enable auto-sync every 24 hours so balances stay current. Automate transfers and bill payments to enforce discipline and reduce late fees. This turns plans into behavior. If things go wrong, first recategorize misclassified transactions. If syncing fails, reconnect the bank and clear the app cache. One key tip: check permissions and update credentials after bank password changes to restore fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.